Hey folks, my name is Dean Gozowsky. I'm with 3D Property Solutions, and we're excited to bring to you our latest offering, 10430 Valley Drive here in Goodrich, Michigan. Now, it's a lovely town. The people take care of their grass out here in this community, and there's new construction going on just down the road, and that means security for property values. The whole house circulates right around this staircase. Now you head left, you make your way on over to the powder room and the formal living area, which has got its own gas fireplace, and it's an excellent spot to just enjoy some family time. And that is going to go ahead and lead you right on into the eat-in kitchen. It's open concept style, big bright windows, they let a ton of light through, and we've even got a formal dining area or separate office space if you choose here, as you complete the circle. As you make your way up the freshly painted staircase, you've got 3 bedrooms right up here. As you walk into the main master suite, it's got an ensuite soaking tub and a stand-up shower. You got a double vanity in this master suite. Also, what's very unique about this home is you've got an upstairs laundry. So everything's on one floor, kept somewhat private from the rest of the company, so you can keep everything right there in that laundry room. I tell you what, this is a clean, move-in ready home, and if it's one thing that I've learned through my years in real estate, is that these are the types of homes that sell quickly. All right, now I mentioned earlier that this is a fantastic place to do some entertaining. Now here's why. We got this back deck area that's got the little pergola. You can sit underneath there, enjoy some summertime cocktails. You got the fire pit. You've got the hot tub for the unruly ones. They can just go in there and hang out. And then you got the grill. So it's really one of those spots here that everybody's going to want to come over and hang out at, and this is cut out just for you. So if you have questions or you want to scheduleize a personalized showing, ask me directly. My name is Dean. I'm with 3D Property Solutions. My number is 248-765-4748.